Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can export a video in Inshot App. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot App, and now I'm going to click on this, and after that we have to click on the video, and now we have to click on the new, and let's choose the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I'm going to click on this and let's hit the right. And now what we have to do, for example, I'm going to apply a few things as we can export the video, and let's click on this text and let's click on this again, and I'm going to add some text here. And now as you can see, now let's click on this and right, and now let's click on the effect here, and we are going to apply some effects here like this one. As you can see, is done. And now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this save option. As you can see, as the save option, and after clicking on the save, we have to choose the resolution, that what should be the resolution. As you can see, 4K, 2K are 1080 and 720, and frame rate is also mentioned here. We have to choose the frame rate, and the format is also mentioned here, the MP4 or the GIF. And after that, after choosing these all options, as the estimated size will be shown here. As you can see, now the size is 96.4 MB. After that, simply we have to hit the save, and after clicking on the save, it will take few seconds in generating your video, in exporting your video, and after that it will be done. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.